Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on TurboTax. First, open the TurboTax app on your iPhone. Once you are logged in, tap the menu icon or profile icon at the top of the screen. From the menu, tap Setting. Now look for the Security or Sign In and Security. Then tap on it. Inside the section, find Biometric Login, Face ID or Touch ID. When you see it, turn the switch on. Your iPhone will ask to confirm using your Face ID, Touch ID to approve the change. If you don't see the biometric option, here's what to do. Go back to the setting app on your phone. In the search bar, type TurboTax and make sure Face ID or biometric access is turned on. Then go back to the Turbo app. The next time you open TurboTax or log out and back login, the app will ask Face ID or Touch ID, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.